What if I tell you guys that you can make money out of the pictures you have in your mobile phones or cameras? Yeah, that's right, I said it right. Yeah, not just that, you can even rent out those pictures. And today in this video, I'm going to share one website with you that will give you up to 70 cents per view. All you need to do is take some time to get good photos. And it's a simple 3-step process that I'm going to tell you in this video. And also, not just that, in this video I'm going to share how to get free pictures from internet. If you think you are not a good photographer, you think that you cannot take good pictures, and you can easily make up to $2,000 to $3,000 per month. And not just that, I'm also going to share another method in this video to promote those pictures so you can get more views and you can increase your earnings online. So is it interesting, right? So all you need to do is subscribe to the channel and watch this video till the end so you can learn step-by-step process on how you can make money online. So without further ado, let me take you straight to the website. Okay, so the website name is clickasnap.com, and you can see it over here that you can just sign up and get paid for your content. And this website will pay you if anyone watch or view your picture. So all you can see is there are a lot of pictures from different peoples around the world, and they are uploading their own pictures and they are getting view. And you can see there are 29 views and they are getting up to 70 cents per view. So you can do the maths yourself. So if you have a good picture, you'll get more views, and you can upload any picture, like it could be from nature or travel or animals or people, building, arts, anything. It could be anything. Okay, and it's a just simple 3-step process. All you need to do is sign up to this website, which is totally free, and then upload your photos. And then when your photos are displayed to others that visit clickasnap, every time someone views your photo, you make money. That's how simple it is. And when you can get paid, once your payment reaches $15, you can easily withdraw it through PayPal. So how easy is this? And you can see it over here. They have clearly mentioned on their website that they are paying 70 cents per photo view, and minimum payout is $15. And they have around 100,000 members sign up and 2 million images viewed per day. So you can do the math yourself. So are you ready for this? So all you need to do is click on this sign up button and sign up for free. You can sign up through Facebook, Google, Twitter, or through your email address. Once you create your account, all you need to do is you need to upload the photo and then start making money online. Now the second thing is, if you have a good photos in your phone or cameras, then you can earn money out of them. There is no issue. But if you think that you are not a good photographer, you do not know how to take good pictures, so what you can do is there is another website that's called pexel.com. So you can go to pexel.com and take out free pictures, which is a really good website, and it has a tons of free pictures and high quality pictures. So you can see you can get any type of photos over here, and you can get from nature to people to architecture and building. And only if I search over here about nature, so you can see you will get amazing pictures. You can see these are really high quality pictures. You can click on the free download button and you can get these pictures in highest quality. Okay, and of course you can see these pictures have 46 million views. And if you just upload these pictures on this website, clickasnap, and you will get thousands and thousands of views. Believe me, you will earn a lot of money out of this website, and it's a totally legit website. Okay, so you can use this website and spend some time to find good photos, and then you just can upload those photos over here and start making money today. Okay, now the next thing is, if your pictures are not getting views, if you made an account on clickasnap and your pictures are not getting views, then I would highly suggest to use a website called Pinterest. So all you need to do is go to pinterest.com and you need to create a simple account over here, and then you can log in through your account. Okay, once you sign up to the Pinterest, all you need to do is create a pin. You can go to create button over here and then just create a pin. All you need to do is upload that picture that you have downloaded. I will upload any picture from here just to show you how Pinterest works. Okay, and then you need to add a title, and then you need to write some description over here, and that add all text over here, that is beautiful plant. So here you need to upload the link of the picture. So all you need to do is go to your clickasnap account and grab this link, grab the picture link that you have uploaded over here, just click it over here and then just paste the link over here, and then you can publish it. You have to do it 10 times daily, and if you do this 10 times daily, you will get a lot of views through Pinterest, because Pinterest gets a lot of monthly traffic. It has millions of traffic. You can see, let me show you the traffic it gets on monthly basis. All you can see is it get 1 billion monthly visits. So it's a huge platform and it's a huge potential. So if you use this website, you will get a lot of traffic, and I would highly recommend you to use this website to earn a lot of money. So if you like this website, all you need to do is go sign up over here and start making money. And if you like this video, please share it with your friends and make sure to subscribe to my channel to get more videos like this. Till then, take care. I'll meet you in the next video.